everyone. So for today's video, it's our last day here in Manila for attending convention, the Manila convention, and those 3 days is wala nang realization. I don't know if and kahapon, nag-ulat din. It's on the sort of unwinding categories kind of the room. And yes, it's 29 and it's my first time. Malaki number is 29, my birthday. And yan, motivation natin for today's video is gawin mo lang kung gusto mo. Express mo lang yung sarili mo. Everyday is smiling. And let's ask my shambolic doctors anong motivation nila for today on the last day of Pahat. Hi, Doc El. Anong motivation mo for today?
Motivation for today, ano ba? Wait lang. For very going lang ako ngayon. Wait, naka-video ka ba? Mamaya. We're going with the flow lang ako.
Ikaw, Doc Jalen, anong motivation mo for today or in life?
In life? Keep moving forward. Kasi pag tumigil ka lang ay biglang gamer. Ay, nagre-record pa rin.
So, ano motivation mo, Doc Jalen, today?
Kape. Fighting.
Hi, Doc March. Anong motivation mo today?
Ito naman, pagod ako yung gumawa lang.
Doc.
Yes po. Ayaw mo yan. Wala ka naman choice. Fighting.